Yes,
Create your
please.
digital self with AI. Table of contents. 1. Introduction. 2. Popular platforms to create digital self. 3. Pricing and subscriptions. 4. Pros and cons. 5. Video demo. 1. Introduction. What does it mean to create a digital self? Your digital self is a virtual version of you that represents how you appear and express yourself in digital spaces. It can be a cartoon style avatar, a realistic AI generated photo, a virtual assistant that sounds like your voice, or a chatbot that mimics your personality. You might use your digital self on social media, video calls, virtual games, or even in digital art and stories. It gives you a way to be present and expressive online without always using your real photo, name, or voice. Why create a digital self? Privacy. You can be present in digital spaces without revealing your real face or voice. Avatars or AI voices provide a layer of comfort and security. Confidence. Some people feel more at ease expressing themselves through an avatar, especially when shy or camera shy. Fun and creativity. Customizing your avatar's looks, creating digital art, or chatting with an AI version of yourself can be an entertaining way to connect with technology. Brief history of digital avatars and AI tools. 1990s to 2000s, early avatars appeared in chat rooms, forums, and games like The Sims, Habbo Hotel, and Second Life. These were mostly 2D and cartoon-like. 2010s. Smartphones made avatars more personal and portable. Apps like Bitmoji and Apple's Memoji let users create fun, customized characters. Today, AI makes creating a digital self easier, faster, and more interactive. People can now build realistic avatars, generate synthetic voices, or even chat with AI versions of themselves all in a few minutes using free or low cost apps. 2. Popular platforms to create digital self. Popular platforms to create your digital self. Lensa AI uses your selfies to create artistic avatars that resemble your face in a variety of styles, from fantasy to comic. Ready Player Me, a powerful tool to create realistic 3D avatars for use in video games, virtual reality platforms, and Zoom-like apps. Bitmoji and Apple Memoji, fun and simple cartoon avatars that you can use in text messages, emails, or even as stickers in social media posts. Getting started with Lensa AI, iPhone and Android. Step 1. Open the App Store on the iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and search for Lensa AI. Download and install the app. Step 2. Launch the app and choose Magic Avatars from the main menu. Step 3. Upload 10 to 20 different selfies showing your face from different angles with neutral backgrounds and expressions. Step 4. Choose an avatar style, for example, fantasy, sci-fi, anime, and then confirm your selection. Step 5. Wait for the AI to process the images. This may take a few minutes. Then, browse through your new avatars and save your favorites. Ready Player Me for 3D avatars on PC, Mac, or web. Step 1. Go to https://readyplayer.me on your browser. Step 2. Click Create Avatar, then take a selfie or upload a photo. Step 3. Customize your 3D avatar by selecting skin tone, hairstyle, clothing, glasses, and other features. Step 4. Download your avatar or use it in compatible apps like VRChat, Spatial, or Mozilla Hubs. This tool is especially good for people interested in VR or gaming, but it's easy enough for anyone to try. The avatars are realistic and can be used in virtual meetings, digital classrooms for a more personal touch. Ready Player Me. So this is what it basically looks like. Really realistic. Then Bitmoji and Memoji. Bitmoji works with apps like Snapchat, Chrome, Gmail, and WhatsApp. You can create a cartoon avatar and use it in stickers to express emotions in text messages. Very beginner friendly, just answer questions about your appearance and choose clothing/accessories. Apple's Memoji, available on iPhones and iPads with Face ID. You can create a 3D animated emoji that mimics your facial expressions and voices in video messages. Ideal for iMessage, FaceTime, and Apple Mail. 3. Pricing and subscriptions. Pricing and subscriptions. Lensa AI charges a one-time fee for avatar packs, typically $3.99 to $7.99 in Canadian money, then USD or I meant USD or $5.50 to $10.99 in Canadian money, depending on the number of avatars and styles. Ready Player Me. Free to create and download avatars, some third-party platforms like VR apps or games may charge for enhanced functionality. Bitmoji and Memoji. 100% free, no ads or upgrades required. Always check each app's pricing page for the most current information before subscribing. 4. Pros and cons. Pros of creating a digital self. Fun and creative. Make your own avatar, voice, or chatbot can be an entertaining way to explore new technology. Privacy friendly. Great alternative for those who want to stay anonymous or keep personal details private online. Digital literacy. Learning how to use these tools helps you build confidence in using new technology and staying connected. Engagement. Avatars and AI tools make digital communication feel more interactive and personalized. Cons of creating a digital self. Privacy concerns. Uploading photos or voice recordings to AI platforms means trusting them with your data. Always check their privacy policy. Accuracy issues. AI generated avatars or voices may not always reflect your real appearance or tone perfectly. Costs. While many tools are free to try, the best features may require paid subscriptions or in-app purchases. Overuse or dependence. Some users might rely too much on digital representations and feel disconnected from real social interactions.
So here's Bitmoji. So you can get these from your app store if you want to do it, or perhaps you are interested. So it's quite fun because also it allows you to create stickers that you can share with people. And the portion related to the topic today is the one that is related to the avatar, and that is the one you can find at the bottom. So essentially, you can build your own avatar, decide what kind of hairstyle it has, and I hope that you guys can see these little arrows on right and left that you can move, and it will show you a different feature in the avatar that you can change, right? Depending on what kind of hairstyle you have, or if you have any hair treatment, you can choose accordingly. Me, most of the time, I used to be wearing my hair in a bun, so that's why it looks like that. You can select.
I remember that.
Yeah. I can change the eye shape. You can give it eyelashes. You can also change the eye size, the eye spacing. That is the eye color. So each time you move that little arrow on the right side, it will change the features of the character. And whenever you do any type of change, so say for example, I go back to the eye color, which is something you probably can notice easier. So you can see how your character will be changing features as you modify things. and eyebrows. You can change them as you want to. Let's see, make it a little bit more brownish looking. You can also alter the nose to make it more realistic to who you are, face shape, mouth, right? And when you're done, you can always save. And that is, the avatar. If you have used the application before, you have something is called a closet, and you can choose different kind of styles for your avatar. This is kind of fun. And it will modify the closet or the clothing for the avatar. At the very bottom, sometimes you will see little icons that represent the kind of clothing the avatar is using, whether it's a sweater or pants, and you can see the different options for either piece of clothing. You have dresses, right? Shoes, and sometimes you even see branding, right? Related to the most popular brands in fashion. And if I don't want to modify, I can get out of there. You can also make the Bitmoji part of your keyboard. So when you are typing something in your cell phone, it will talk with emojis as opposed to the regular emojis you use in your cell phone. And there is also a shopping part, which if you create an emoji for your character, you can buy t-shirts or any merch with that piece of images if that's something you want to do. And the stickers is pretty much like any other stickers you use in technology. So you can use them by looking for different kind of actions that your avatar does. So for example, say that I want to say good afternoon. Oh, here I have options for that. And there would be stickers that show me how would that look like. Right now it's not showing me many options with that, but here you have also yes, different ways to say yes, different ways to show sadness, or to say thank you. So if you are a very expressive person, you can choose how you want to say that. And when you select a sticker, then it will give you an option to share the sticker via different ways, whether it's in a text message for some of the applications you use that utilize text message, or even an email. You can even print it, send it via Bluetooth. You can do many, many things with it, even do a Google search with that.